See, right now, not too much visual picture here. It is nighttime. It is around 11:10 p.m. But right now, we have been getting pretty much steady rain going on. At times, it's been very heavy. They are saying by Sunday morning, very early, between 4 to 6 p.m. Is when the heart of the storm will be pretty much arriving. And pretty much from what you could see out here in the center of the camera is a stream of water flowing down the street. I live on a hill, and it has been coming down for quite some time, and we are just waiting basically the arrival. According to the news right now, they're about 225. The eye of the storm is about 225 miles away from the state of New Jersey. This should be something pretty interesting to watch. New Jersey getting a hurricane. Something that you don't see very often. We have here my parents' car right out in front of the house. We parked it as close as we can to the driveway because right above it, unfortunately cannot see, but I'm sure in later videos you will be able to, is a gigantic tree that we hope will definitely stay put, obviously.
Okay, now let's see if it closes. No, watch out. Okay.
I'll be holding.
Yeah, hold on. I can't see it. Stop the close. Yeah, it'll stay lit for a while. It'll just. Oh, look at that, that's crazy.